As the world's leading manufacturer of high-density polyethylene folding tables and chairs, Lifetime Products has revolutionized the industry with their patented technology. Featuring 4 60-inch round white granite folding tables and 32 comfortable white granite folding chairs, this Lifetime combo is perfect for your next event, banquet, meeting, or family get-together. Lifetime's 60-inch round commercial folding table is constructed of high-density polyethylene and powder-coated steel. Our heavy-duty tabletops are UV protected, stain-resistant, and easy to clean, and will not crack, chip, or peel. Featuring an innovative tack-off pattern and blow-molded technology, our design provides extra strength and rigidity throughout the table. All Lifetime tables have a durable steel frame. The gray powder-coated finish prevents scratching, peeling, and corrosion. Our frames are weather and rust resistant and protected against UV damage, making our tables perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. With a convenient, lightweight design, our tables are easy to set up and take down for those large group gatherings. The table edges are rounded to prevent pinching or scratching your hands, and optional table carts are available to help store and transport the tables. Lifetime tables are built to meet and exceed the strength and durability needed for commercial use, while maintaining the best value and affordability for residential use. The unique contour design of Lifetime's folding chairs makes them more comfortable than any other folding chair on the market. They have a wide seat and tall back that supports you in all the right places. Our chairs are specifically engineered with an ergonomic contour design that is comfortable for all sizes and shapes. Constructed of high-density polyethylene and powder-coated steel, Lifetime chairs exceed commercial furniture standards, ensuring superior strength and durability. They have a UV-protected seat and back and an all-weather, rust-resistant powder-coated steel frame. So no matter where your event takes place, you can count on the durable, comfortable chairs from Lifetime Products. With 4 60-inch round folding tables and 32 contoured folding chairs, this Lifetime combo set will be perfect for your next event, meeting, or group gathering. Take a look around and you'll see Lifetime's tables and chairs everywhere, homes, banquets, offices, and more. Our quality, construction, and innovative designs have made us #1 in the industry.